Hi guys! Welcome to Cooking with Julia. Today we're going to make banana sushi. So first, the ingredients are, you need a banana, some vanilla yogurt, some fruit, a knife, a spatula, and a plate. So first, you want to peel the banana. Ooh. Pop the banana. Second, just want to put the banana on the plate. And then we're going to chop the banana up. Okay. Second, what we want to do is we put all of these on the plate. And we want to put them in like kind of a circle so we can put the toppings on it. Like on all of them. So, I'm just putting mine in a circle. Okay. I'm finished with putting all mine in a circle. Second, you want to take the yogurt and you want to plop it on. Make sure you spread it around the banana. And you might need a little more yogurt than this, but you can also use different kinds of yogurts. So once we're finished with that, we add the fruit. So first I'm going to add some blackberries. Second, I'm going to add some strawberries. And that's how you make banana sushi.